Hey everyone, welcome back to Brick House Vintage. So we recently went to an auction that we won multiple benches of different sizes, different ages, different types. So we figured it'd be a good video to show you different ways to make over pieces of furniture. So today we're going to be showing you 3 different ways to make over 3 different benches. So if you want to see how they turn out, make sure you stick around. First up is this vintage school bench. Overall, it had a nice patina. It just needed a good cleaning and a little renewed life. I wipe off all of the loose dirt and dust. Next, I take an 800 grit sanding pad and lightly sand off all the scuffs, marks, and roughness. Then I take a damp rag and wipe off the dust. Next, I'm using Howard's Restore Finish to blend in all of the scratches. I finish it off by adding a coat of feed and wax for added durability. Next up, we have this beautiful primitive style bench. As you can see here, this one also has some marks and rough spots, so I use an 800 grit sandpaper again to lightly sand all of those spots. Now you want to use a very high grit sandpaper so that you more so erase rather than sand, because you don't want to take off too much of that original finish. And since this one was beautiful enough, I simply just used the feed and wax to rejuvenate the wood and add a layer of protection. Last is this little pine bench. This one was in pretty rough shape with the scratches, scuffs, and gouges, so it was the perfect candidate to paint. So I start by cleaning with TSP. And next I scuff sand. Then I use a damp cloth to wipe off all of the dust from sanding. Now, as you can see, here are some of the scratches and knot holes I mentioned earlier. Now, if you wanted a clean and smooth finish, certainly take the time to fill in all of the spots with wood filler. Considering the size and build of this piece and what it will probably be used for, we'll be distressing it, so I don't want to bother filling in all of those spots. Again, it's not everyone's style, and that's okay. Go ahead and fill them in if that's your preference. For us, it all depends on the piece, and this one, I'm not going to fill them in. Next, I prime with Rust-Oleum spray primer. I'm painting this piece in mango chalk paint with the color Catherine. After the 2 coats are dry, I give some detailed distressing. And last, I finish it off with a Rust-Oleum semi-gloss clear coat for protection. And that is it, everyone. 3 different methods to revive 3 different benches. So let us know in the comments below which is your favorite. We're personally loving the look of the primitive bench. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.